Hey guys!
Hi!
Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, I am Shake.
This
This
Sassy Shed.
is Sasisha, my sister. So guys, as you see from the if you're new,
Remember to subscribe.
yeah. Click that bell soon as notified whenever I make a video. My sister here also has a channel which will be linked down below. So go ahead and check her out because she's also doing a Vlogmas. So yes guys, in today's video we're gonna do the Holly Jolly Christmas YouTube tag.
Wait, it's a tag, so that means you're gonna tag me in it?
But me I say like it's what we are do it. So I don't know.
Oh, so you tag somebody else?
Yeah.
Well, I tag
La Vita
Jennings. I saw?
And
La
Shelly.
Vida or Lativa?
La Vida. It's Spanish.
La Vida.
La Vida Jennings. Your tag.
Your tag and Shelly Corner.
Shelly's
Your
Corner,
tag. Your tag.
Just Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it.
So we have 20 questions here. So we're going to go through and each of us gonna answer. So the first one, your favorite Christmas movie?
Home Alone. That would have to be Home Alone for me.
Home Alone. And if you want to put on a second one, Grinch.
Nope, that's not my second favorite.
Which one is your favorite?
The Christmas Prince or the a Royal Prince. I don't know
that
that series.
Movie. Me love.
I don't love it. I only Christmas watch that. Tell the people them send me a terror.
Alright, sorry. Alright. Next question. Are you on the naughty list or the nice list?
Naughty.
I'm on the nice list.
Why?
I'm nice.
I'm the naughty one. I don't afraid to tell people what comes out my mouth.
Okay. Anyways, so the next one. Show us an embarrassing Christmas photo. I have none. I don't really have none.
Describe embarrassing.
But if we find
of course, you're supposed to find one food where me I eat bad or me have chat or...
So this, we're going to put them right here. So 1.
If we find it.
2. If we find it. Alright, next. Have you ever had a white Christmas? No. No. I'd like to go and visit somewhere to experience it, but yeah.
And it's snowing in the North Pole. That's how song go?
Oh, yeah, I was to say.
No, you always listen to Ariana.
Oh, that's the song go.
Cause then I wanna go to the North Pole. Oh boy, go there. Next, bro.
Do you start your Christmas shopping on Black Friday or wait until the last
Before
minute?
Black Friday. I started before Black Friday for real.
Sorry, me a last minute shopper.
You can't be last minute shopper if a jacket reach already. You bought something from me too.
That's not a Christmas gift.
No, but
it's a gift.
They never said Christmas gift.
Oh,
they said
okay, fine.
Christmas shopping. So you start look for Christmas stuff from before. So you're not a late shopper. Please, you have anxiety issue. So you're not a late shopper.
If you could be in any Christmas movie, what would it be? Home Alone. No, we don't want to be the Overlord. What would I be? Anyway,
would I be the Grinch?
Yeah, that would be fun.
That would be fun. It's not my favorite show, but it would be fun.
Yeah, that would be fun.
There's another show I watched, where with this Santa Claus, it's like in Japan, me talking now.
I know you're talking my name.
And he have 2, 3, $1 something there, but and he had to leave his son.
Think about the claws. Thinking in the
claws.
Name all of Santa's reindeers. There is Dasher and Prancer and
Me
Vixen
only know
and
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose. That's the only reason why I know. I know why, because I know the song, nothing more.
But I know they have a song. You have Dasher and Prancer and Vixen and they name out all of the reindeers.
Well, you get 3, me get
because
1.
I think that's the first part of the song.
There was a first part of the song.
But the most famous reindeer of them all, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer.
People comment down below if you didn't know that's how the song go come. Me never know.
Well, we finish, we're going to play it here. Can we have listened to the song?
No.
I think so, yeah. Alright, so the next one. When does your family put up your Christmas tree and who
We
decorates
late.
it? Alright, so sometimes it goes up very early, sometimes very late.
Normally
like,
go
no.
before my birthday, people.
Normally, since like, you know, we get big and everything, it start go up for like before the 5th so that we can take a picture for your birthday. This year, guys, I know it is so rough.
I had to use a fake
so
tree.
dramatic.
It's a fake tree outside. Well, it's the realest tree ever.
Exactly.
It don't give me the vibe of me did one.
Anyway, so it's like we haven't put up any other trees yet, so
what though?
yeah, hopefully soon. And who normally decorates it? Since you got
Shaggy.
older like me, yeah.
No, you have been decorating from its little. It's like you have a patience with Christmas tree. People last year she helped me fluff the tree. No, I helped her flush the tree. She asked
was
me for
nice.
help and it took me 30 hours.
You know that body of people just extra.
It-
Alright, so next, is your Christmas tree real or fake?
Fake.
Do you prefer peeking at gifts or being surprised?
I like being surprised.
I like being surprised.
That's why I mean hate say
Boy,
when we
yeah,
got grandma kid together because me can't as I see
can't
me
give
gone
us
around there so
surprise.
then come and find me like
We have to make sure you're fine. Like,
I wanted to buy mine this week but then me figured as me reaching a store.
show us your ugly Christmas sweater if you have one.
I don't got none, I only got cute sweaters.
Yeah.
I can't wait to wear it.
If you could be under the mistletoe with anyone, who would it be? Oh, I ain't got nobody.
I got somebody special but I won't say his name here.
Next one. Does your family have a special holiday recipe you like to help make? Not
Roast
really.
pork.
But I'm not feeling
No, but the
recipe
cake is
yet.
actually a special
But
recipe.
it's not their recipe.
Oh, that they mean?
No, that's what I get it from.
Where you love
That's what I
follow.
understand.
I don't know.
But yeah, we normally make, like, Daddy
Special
teach us to make
cake.
like the Christmas cake.
Yeah.
And like we help make that until we take it over. But I want to call that a special recipe because probably I know for we recipe.
This year I may have bake people.
No problem.
Me can't take it. Me not have no patience to come out. Me clean you alone.
Are you a pro present wrapper or do you fail miserably?
Nope.
I'm a pro.
Nope, I fail. I don't remember. Well, some years ago, for those who are old to this channel, I came on here and tell people that Shanky was the best present wrapper because the people them when me pay if you go wrap me present fear. I mean, you know, even me could have do better. Like, come on, but she needs her family. As me say,
I like
you can
to
see I'm
when
not a
she
patient
needs
person when you come on to
some,
certain things.
you know?
Only in teaching, I'm sorry.
Have you ever gone Christmas caroling?
Yes!
Almost every year.
Yes!
Yes.
Yes!
Yes. What tops
Running
your
too
tree?
much.
A star.
A star.
A star.
People, anybody can tell me when I can get some stocking. I want some stocking pad.
Oh.
Christmas stocking.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, take me at that bow. No, baby. A time and place for everything. But I never asked the school stocking, no. I'm talking about the Christmas stocking. I thought they were in Bashko. And I went in there and I saw them displaying this lovely one. And I'm like, my sister would love this. But when I asked them say it finished, I'm like, oh.
Yeah,
It's okay if it had Santa Claus or was it reindeer? I don't know what something there on it. And it come out. It's so pretty.
And we wanted one from last year. And
One, me want for
yeah, as in one for
I
last
want the
year.
house to look Christmassy. I'm not shocked in me drop people. I just love see place pretty. But I want some nice cushions that is Christmassy. I found some 1 year and lad me can't find no more. I search your old place.
You probably don't find them yet. I didn't want to pick up a price until when the Christmas time. The 19th question. Do you make New Year's resolutions? Do you stick to them? I usually make them and then last year, well, not last year, year before last, I was like, it doesn't really make sense though. But what I do is set
have
goals.
a dream or goals or plan.
I have
a
goals
set
that I
plan.
do. Yeah. And I try to see how best I can achieve those goals for the year. But it's pretty much the
Me
same
have
thing as
one plan
resolution
when
anyways.
we have one goal when me set from about from when me tell us I'm one house from before you graduate. and life has made you start the process, and the people them in that process just make it look like you don't want to house again. So me not bother with the resolution thing.
Alright, so the last question here is, you have been granted one Christmas wish, what will it be?
To be honest, people, my Christmas wish, I wish I had some money. No, I it's not for me, people. Just listen. Wait now, Shake.
I'm not saying anything.
I wish I had some money. I could give some persons, and I know at Christmas time they receive a lot, but there are many persons in need, you know. When I see them on the road, some people on the road are big, and I them matter. I'm not talking when them always on the road, but they have some real. It's like I was sitting and listening to some persons once, and they were saying, like, we were talking about Christmas dinner. And I don't know, I grew up with eating like 3 or 4, 5, 6 meat for Christmas day. Allow me to tell?
6,
3, 4, 5. Alright, let's count it out.
3 to 4.
Pork, fish, chicken in all sorts of way.
You can't call it.
Bake, stew, fry. But that's still different meat. Alright, let's take it out. Pork, chicken, fish, goat, beef, turkey. How much that? Oh, as bully for meat, you just pick. You know, go eat one whole bulk, you know. And some persons, like, they were saying, oh, me we just fry up one piece of chicken. Sometimes I want saltfish, and me feel, you know. You wonder, you might think they're stingy, but some persons really don't have it, because if you notice at Christmas time, the chicken raise, the pork raise, everything raise. So persons, for some persons, I go consider, say, listen, January morning, me picnic need to go to, or January morning, I need to go do this. So they wanna just, you know. So if me have some money, when I give some people where at least they can buy at least 3 meats and stuff, and buy them gifts, and I don't know, just carry them to one big place and make them have this lovely party and enjoy them Christmas. I'm just all for the people. I'm sorry, I'm a big softy when it comes on to that. Yeah. I like seeing people happy, so.
And my only Christmas wish will just be happy for the Christmas.
We can't bother with the war thing, so.
Yeah, I just want happy for
the
Christmas.
World get terrible. It's just that me just want.
I don't want no sadness.
Peace.
I just want
peace. Yeah. Be still.
Yeah.
Yeah, for real. I get you. Happiness.
Sweet.
Happiness. That's all we want for Christmas. Hey, we don't want to fake for. I don't know part of that. Me make it next week.
Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. That is gonna be the end of our holly jolly Christmas time.
And remember, Shelly, we tag you and La Vida.
So go ahead, guys, and make your video.
Bye.
And tag 2 more people in your video.
Peace.
So yes, bye, guys. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment, and we will see you in the next video. Click that bell. Bye, guys.
Bye.